Look, it's an iPod. Growing up, I think a lot of people had one of these, or even one of these. These are the classic iPods. These are iPods that people, older than me grew up with. I'm only 19, and for Christmas in 2012, I got this. The 5th generation iPod Touch. As you can see, it says Merry Christmas 2012 on it. Yeah, this was a very popular iPod Touch model back in the day, along with the 4th gen that came 2 years prior. This was my main device from 2012 to 2017, before I got the iPhone SE, which the battery sucks on this one too. This was my camera and also my editing software for when I made YouTube videos when I was younger. This was basically my everything because when I was younger I didn't really use a computer that much. All I had was this. This was even my console. As you can see, it's a little bit worse for wear right now. And as you can tell by this little thing in the bottom here, the home button just does not work anymore. I do think this iPod Touch was updated way farther than it needed to be because A5 plus iOS 9 equals no. I think it's funny how just me signing into the iCloud just erased all of the space I have on it. Thanks to iCloud syncing all the photos and stuff that I have for my 14 Pro. And yes, of course I jailbroke it. You can see I added a battery percentage tweak because normal iPod Touches don't have the battery percentage option. It's like they knew the batteries were terrible or something. Yeah, there's also the little lanyard thing that Apple wanted for you to use, like a little loop extension, because a lot of people use the iPod Touch as a camera. Yep, that's what I expected to happen. Let's see if we can play Minecraft. Woo, look at that. We already spawned at the edge of the world. That's fun. Oh, if this is mostly water, that'd be so disappointing. Woo, Minecraft. Unfortunately, iMovie is not even on here anymore, so I can't really show you what that was like on here. But there you have it. That was my first iPod. This is my first Apple device in general. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.